The next number is 27769 735 176.
Ganti ke elandelayo yona ke ithi 27769735
Then I will move to the middle, to that one. Suspect number 5.
Siya kuleyo number lo ke esemaphakathini ekamsola wesihlanu
With number 2773 305 9202.
2773 305 9202.
Did my contact with suspect number 3,
Ganti ke uye waxhumana nomsolwa wesithathu
with the name of Mtumbisi Katla Mkubi, with number 27 72 7668 169.
Ganti ke uye waxhumana naye lona uMthobisi Gadla Mncube. Ganti ke inambolo yakhe ithi 2772 7668 169.
Can you just show it there if you can?
Yes.
Here's a pointer.
That's the number we're talking about now.
Is that the one 27? Just repeat it, Mr. Interpreter.
Your Lordship,
Repeat that number. It's 2772766.
that's correct, Your Lordship.
81
That's correct, Your Lordship.
689.
8169.
Wait. 8169.
69.
Okay.
That's
fine.
correct, Your
Okay,
Lordship.
sorry, because I had an extra digit. Yeah.
It's that one.
Please, Your Lordship.
Just show the contacts there.
The contact with that one. The contact between this one and that one. And you can see they did phone each other. It was communications, incoming and outgoing calls. So they
Between
did
number
contact.
5 and number 2.
Number 3.
Number 3, sorry. Between number 5 and number 3.
That's correct.
Okay.
Shuthi kuyabonakala ke ukuthi umangalelo wesithathu nomangalelo wesihlanu bake baxhumana ngoqini.
I just want to mention, but I will come to that later on in my statement. This was a number given by accused number 3 when he was arrested at the Cleveland case. But I will come to that later
Okay.
during my statement.
Makaboshwa lo mangalelo wesithathu kule case yase Cleveland yona ke inamba lapho nangayo.
Yes, you may proceed.
Then the same accused number 3, he got another number. Just down, oh no, but it's just, I just mentioned his ID number there, so he doesn't have another number there.
Ngiyaqolisa ke akanayo enye number lo. Shuthi lana la embhale khona la you can point it.
That one. I just mentioned his particulars there, his ID number.
Shuthi lapho ke ngenza ke ngabhala ilokhonjana yakhe kuphela i-ID number yakhe kuphela. Hayi ukuthi unenye ilokhonjana.
Okay.
I-cell phone number.
Then I move to this one now.
Manje sesiyakulo yana ke ungale ngokwese esokudla kuleso sithombe.
Sorry, I'm not.
Yes. Yes, we can
Sorry, my
proceed.
lord. I decide in different way.
Oh
now.
yeah, you.
The next number, I retrieved from the download of suspect number 3.
Kanti ke inamba elandelayo ngakwazi ukuthi ngiyithole kwi-download yomsola wesithathu.
The number was saved on his phone as Mufukani Khumalo.
Leyo number ke iyasave ke efonini yakhe ngaleli gama elithi Mfoka Khumalo.
But the number also belonged to suspect number 5.
Kanti leyo number lo ke kuyinamba inamba ka msola wesihlanu.
Then I moved to this number down here.
Manje ke ngase ngiyasuka ke ngizakuleyo number lo ephansi lapha.
That's another number of suspect number 5.
inombolo ke futhi nayo yomsolwa wesihlanu
with the number 27791 490821.
shuthi ke inombolo leyo ke ithi 27791 490821.
Then I move down straight underneath that number.
Ngase ngiyehla ke ngiqonde phansi ke ngaphansi kwaleyo nombolo.
That number of suspect number 5 also got contact with suspect number 2, Bongani Sandiso Ntanzi.
Futhi ke leyo nombolo ke eka umsolwa wesihlanu yaxhumana ke nomsolwa wesibili ongubongani Sandiso Ntanzi
With the number 27609 016 890.
manje ke leyo nombolo eka bongani Sandiso Ntanzi ithi 27609016890.
Then the same number, the one there on top, I move to this number down here now. The suspect number 5 also got contact with suspect number 1, Setembe Sabia alias Musi.
Yabona ke leyo nombolo ke le yaxhumana no bongani Ntanzi iphinde futhi yaxhumana no Sithemba Sibiya
With cell phone number 2779
kanti ke ithi leyo nombolo ke eka Sithemba Sibiya 27790
Then I move to this number,
manje ke sengiyaqhubeka ke ngiya kule ya nombolo esemaphakathini lapho.
is the number of suspect number 5.
Leyo nombolo ke yomsolwa wesihlanu
The number is 27766 42707.
kanti ke leyo nombolo ithi 27766 427007.
This number also linked to suspect number 3, the number of number 3, this one. We're talking about this two now.
Manje sesikhuluma ke ngalama nombolo lawo amabili lawo shuthi ke yaxhumana ke nalona umsolwa wesithathu.
It linked to the number 277276681169.
Yase ke ixhumana nayo leyo nombolo ke ethi 277276681169.
Then I'm going to move to this one and that one.
Manje ke senzoya ke kulezi ezingapha ke kwesinqele lapho kuleso sithombe lezi ziwu2.
Look, the suspect number 5 cell phone number is this one there. I'm going to read now. It's 2776 735 176.
Kanti ke yona ke ethi 769 735 176.
That number, and then I'm going to move to this number.
Sengizophuma ke ngiye kule yana ke ekhonjwe khona laphana ke kulesa sithombe.
This number also belonged to suspect number 1.
Kanti ke yona leyo nombolo yomangalelwa okanye umsolwa wokuqala
With the number 277248200045.
le nombolo lena ke ithi 2774820045.
My Lord, then I think we can move to page number 41.
Sesingaqhubeka ke
41.
41.
siye ku page 41.
It's just a repeat of what I just did, just
Okay.
discussed.
I hear you.
Okay. It's contact between Kelly Khumalo with number 2782-704-4358.
kanti ke ukuxhumana ke okwasetshenziswa uye lona ke okanye kusetshenziswa ke kule phone le phone number ka Kelly Khumalo ethi 2782 704 4358.
So my Lord, now we need the password. Password. Sorry for that. Contact with suspect number 5 with number 2773-305-9202.
Waxhumana ke nalo solwa ke wesihlanu number yakhona ke ethi 2773 305 9202.
Then my next bullet, communication between suspect number 5 with cell phone number. So cell phone number 2773-305-9202.
Kanti ke kube nokhulumisana kube khona ke okanye ukuxhumana phakathi kwale number lo ke ethi 2773 305 9202.
Yes. Communication with suspect number 3.
Kanti ke kube ilokhunjani lapho ke ukuxhumana no umsola wesithathu
With cell phone number 27-727-668169.
kanti cell number yakhe ke yayithi 2772 7668169.
Then my next bullet, communication between suspect number 3 with number 27-727-668169 with suspect number 5 with cell phone number 2779-149-0821.
Kanti ke kube nokuxhumana ke phakathi kwale number lo 2772 7668169 2772 7668169. Kanti yaxhumana ke nomsolo wesihlanu we number leyo ethi 2779 149 0821.
Yes.
Then our next bullet,
Just before you proceed, Colonel, the person that whose number appears as 079-149-0821, Mabungu Ntuli, you link him to accused number 5. Can you just explain?
that is during the downloads, we identified it as his number.
Shuthi ke leyo number lo ke sikwazile ukuthi siyibone njenge number lo ekamangalelwa wesihlanu okanye yebo ummangalelwa wesihlanu yona le esithi i 2779-149-0821.
We must keep in mind that this is the way, if you save a person's number in a different way, the way you know it's him, you can save it, but the investigation team did follow up, it's the same person.
Yabona ke umuntu kumele akwazi lokho ukuthi inumber ingasaveka mhlambe uyisave efonini yakho ngendlela uyisave ngakhona ke kodwa laba abaphenyayo bayokwazi ukuqonda ngqo ukuthi kahle kahle le cell phone number ekabani.
Then the next bullet, communication between suspect number 5, 27791-490-821 with suspect number 2, 27609-016890
kwaba nokuxhumana okuba khona ke phakathi kwale nombolo lena ke 2779149081 nomsola wesibini ngenombolo le ethi 27609016890.
The last bullet, communication between suspect number 5, 27769 735176 and suspect number 1, 277248 20045.
Kanti ke kwaba nokuxhumana okuba khona ke phakathi ko umsola wesihlanu ngale nombolo ethi 27769 735 176 xhumana ke naye lo umsola wokuqala ngale nombolo ethi 27724 820045.
Now we go back to page 29.
Manje ke sesibuyela ku page 29.
Maybe just before you proceed, given this picture, is there an indication as to who the central figure is, who the central person is?
It's not possible to determine. I can just determine that the suspects in front of the court knows each other. They did talk to each other. But if you look at suspect number 5 and suspect number 3, they did speak to each other. So I will say that's going to be, according to my opinion, the main people.
Abantu ke okuyibona bona ke esingathi ke mhlambe lokuphenyo labenza kakhulu phezu kwabo. Mina ke ukuya ngendlela engibona ngakhona okanye ngendlela ke engicabanga ngakhona singathi umsola wesihlanu nomsola wesithathu ibona ke abantu ukuthi sibheke phezulu kwabo kakhulu ngoba phela kube nokuxhumana kanti kuyaqhubeka uyasho ukuthi into ekhona kuyona iqiniso nje ukuthi labantu baye baxhumana ngeingcingo hayi kangako ke ukuthi singaze sithi bayazana kodwa ke lokho kuxhumana ngeingcingo kwaba khona kulabo bantu ke kusetshenziswa lawo manambolo esikhulunywa ngawo.
Yes, you may proceed.
Okay, the next number, we're going to move to number 27729382498. The number also belongs to Kelly Khumalo.
Enye nambolo esiqhubeka ngayo ile nambolo ethi 27729382498 kanti ke kuyinambolo kaKelly lena Kelly Khumalo.
And just to refresh our minds, which number is this?
It belongs to Kelly Khumalo.
Yes.
I identify it by via of Kelly of Truecaller, where she registered as Kelly Khumalo bookings. She also on the 205 we identified that she did phone friends and family and Senzo herself, and that is the phone which was reported stolen during the crimes from the crime scene.
Manje le nambolo lena ke yatholakala nge-Truecaller ithi ke inambolo kaLukhunjani ka Kelly Khumalo bookings kanti ke lapho ke ebekwazi ukuthi exhumane nabangani kanye noSenzo umufu.
Then the following I determined from the section 205 of this number.
Manje ke lokho kulandelayo ngakuthola ke ukuqhamuka laphana ku section 205 ngalo nambolo
Of the stolen phone.
kanti kwakuyi ifone eyayintshontshiwe.
The last phone call made from this handset number was on the 25th of October, the night before, at 21:15:28.
Kanti ke kwenziwa i-call lapho kuleyo cellphone eyogcina yenziwa nge-25 zika October 2014 usuku nje phambi kosuku lesigameko.
And the call was to the number 278345713330.
Kanti ke leyo nambolo ke yafonela le number ethi 27834 571 330.
Yes, it's fine. You don't need to mention the other party.
Okay. Then the last calls received was on the day of the crime.
Kanti ke i-call yokugcina eyatholakala okanye yangena ngalolo suku ke le sigameko.
At 08:52:60, she received a call from, it seems to me, a family member of Senzo.
Manje ke ngaleso sikhathi 8:52:16 seconds wase ke uthola i-call eqhamuka ke kubuka ngazothi ke omnye welunga ke lakwa Meyiwa.
Then at 13:26:58, the same day, the 26th, she received a call from Senzo, in which they talked 20 seconds.
Khona ngalolo suku ke 13:26:58 uthola ke i-call eqhamuka kuSenzo balelana Senzo 20 seconds futhi wahlala lapho ke kuleyo call emizuzwana ewu20. Number lo yakhona yiyo leyo ethi 27 are you proceeding with it?
No, I think I said we don't have to mention that. Okay, then the next bullet at 13:57:18 on the 26th, she received another call on which they're talking 86 seconds on.
Kanti ke nge 26 ka October 2014 13:57:18 seconds wathola ke olunye ucingo shuthi ke wase uyakhuluma lapho kuleyo phone imizuzwana ewu86.
Then 14:52:17 on the 26th, she received another call and they talks 107 seconds.
Kanti ke ngalo lona lo suku ngalesikhathi ke esithi 14:32:17 wase ke uthola ke enye call wahlala kuleyo call imizuzwana ewu107 manyamazi 107 seconds.
Then at 14:40:16 seconds, she received another call on the 26th.
Kanti ke nge 26 khona lapho nge 26 ka October 2014 ngaleso sikhathi esithi 14:40:16 wasuthola ke enye call.
Then I just want to make a mention that on the 26th they didn't make any call, as well on the 27, but on the 27 the phone call could be in our position, the police position.
Azange ake afoneke nge 26 ka October na nge 27 ka October kanti ke nge 27 ka October kunokwenzeka ukuthi ifoni yakhe iyayise semaphoyiseni ke manje.
Then we go to the next paragraph, paragraph 5.
Siya ku paragraph 5 manje.
My intention is here to prove to the court the SimSwap which was done on Senzo's phone after the incident.
Manje ke injongo yami okanye inhloso yami ukubonisa inkantolo ukuthi kuyokwaba ke nalento ebizwa i-SimSwap okanye ukushintsha ke kwelokhu njani ke kwe-SIM card kule phone eka Senzo emva kwesigameko.
You see down here, I mentioned the number of Senzo. It's a number 277143795551. That's the number of Senzo Meyiwa.
Yabona lapha phansi ke kunenombolo evelelayo lapho yokugcina nje lapho phansi kuleyo diagram ethi 277143795551 number ka Senzo Meyiwa le.
Then we go here to the handset number, the IMEI number like we mentioned yesterday. The number is 35202006543 That's the handset at the crime scene.
Kanti ke le phone yathola khona lapha ke endaweni yesigameko i-IMEI number yakhona 35202 006 543 102.
Then we go to the SIM card number of this phone, which belonged to the original phone of Senzo. It's 65501 924 511 2349.
Manje siyake kule SIM card number okuyiyona ke kumele le cellphone ka Senzo. It is 6550 1924 511 2349.
Then I want to show to the court, my lord, he at 22:11:55, he did receive a call from the number 2782 761 2137 while the phone was at the clinic for Flores.
Kanti ke okunye engithanda ukubonisa inkantolo ukuthi wathola ke i-call ngaleso sikhathi nje isikhathi lesi esithi 22:11:55 seconds. Kanti ke senze ukuthi nge-26 ka-October 2014 iqhamuka kuleya number lo ke ethi 2782 761 2137 ngaleso sikhathi ube khona laphana e-clinics for Flores.
Is it possible to say which base station does this tower serve?
The tower served the clinic for Flores, 3G clinic for Flores, Mike November 1 SGS.
Kanti ke i-tower leyo inamba lenikezwe yona ke igama elinikezwe leyo tower ekwazile ke ukuthi ixhumanise ke lamanambolo lawa ke okanye lama call lawa.
And my lord, I did
3G clinics for Flores MN1 SGS.
Maybe differently put, do we know which tower serves, which base station serves Botsilong Hospital?
That's correct. My lord, I did visit the scene of the hospital, the premises. The tower is at the premises of the hospital.
Manje ke leyo tower ke yona le ilaphayana ngaphakathi kwegceke lesibhedlela.
So what is the picture that is being painted regarding the cell phone of the deceased?
The cell phone was at the hospital with him.
Ngamanye amazwi ke umfanekiso ke odolekayo lana ukuthi i-cell phone lena ibilaphayana esibhedlela nomufi njengoba ke i-tower le kuyiyona ebonisayo ukuthi waxhumana nalo muntu omfonele esesibhedlela. Futhi naye ke ube sesibhedlela ifoni isesibhedlela.
Then the next morning, on the 27th October 2014, at 08:59:23,
Ngelanga elilandelayo ke ekseni 27 October 2014 8:59:23 seconds.
SMS was sent to the handset and the SIM card.
Kune SMS yangena ke kuleyo lokho njani cell phone leyo ngamanye amazwi nakuleyo SIM card yaleyo cell phone.
That's the same handset I mentioned at the crime scene with serial number, the IMEI number 35202 00 6543 102.
Iyona le cell phone number okanye iyona le cell phone engikhulume ngayo ukuthi ile cell phone yatholakala khona lapha endaweni yesigameko ene IMEI number 835 202006 543 102.
And the SIM card number linked to that handset at that stage was the same one at the crime scene, 65501 924 511 2349.
Kanti ke isikhathi yakhona ke iyayiloko nayo iqhumeka nale cell phone yatholakala khona lapha endaweni yesigameko ithi isim card number yakhona ithi 6550 1924 5112 349.
I just want to point out to the court, my lord, that here you've got no number as well as undefined. So that indicates to me that the phone is possibly off. Yes.
Yabona lapho kubhalwe no number ngamanye amazwi ayikho inombolo evelelayo lapho okuno futhi kubhalwe nokuthi undefined. Lokho ke kunokuqonda ukusibonisa ukuthi mhlawumbe leyo cell phone ibivaliwe.
Then we move to the next point.
Sorry, Colin, did you deal with the message that came in?
That's correct.
Yes, sir.
Futhi ke kube ne message ke engenayo.
That it's a message received. Then I move to the next point. Also a message received on the 27th October at 10:01:16, while the cell phone was at 2G Mannenberg SGC 2.
Kanti ke kube nomlayezo kanye SMS engenayo nge-27 ka-October 2014. Isikhathi besithi 10:01:16 seconds. Kanti ke itower kwaba yiyo leyo 2G Mannenberg SGC 2.
And then after that at 13:57:08, also on the 27th of October 2014, it was a call forward at the tower reception area of 2G Burton Park SGC 3.
Kanti ke kwaba ne call forward ngamanye amazwi ke phone call yangena ngaphendulwa nge-27 ka-October 2014. Isikhathi sasethi 13:37:08 seconds. Itower yakhona ke yathi 2G Burton Park SGC 3.
So once again, it's a call that came in but was not answered.
Either come in or go out, but wasn't answered.
Kodwa ke ngaba i-call eyenziwa okanye i-call eyangena kodwa ke azange iphendulwe.
My opinion is the phone was off because there's also no handset number mentioned.
Manje ngendlela engibona ngakhona ke leyo cell phone ibivaliwe ngoba ayikho inombolo ke evelelayo eyayixhumene nayo okanye ikhulumisana nayo.
But we was able to trace the SIM card number, which indicate to me that it is a SimSwop.
Manje ke i-SIM card number yona ke sike sathi ukuyithungatha sayithola sathola ukuthi kunokwenzeka ukuthi kube ne-SimSwap.
And can you just explain the concept of SimSwap?
That happened when you go, let's say when your phone is missing, you go to the service provider and you apply for a new number, or not a new number, a new SIM card on your same number.
Yabona masikhuluma nge-SimSwap ake sithi kulahleka i-cellphone. Makulahleka i-cellphone ke uyahamba ke uyakhona laphana la kulokho nje kuyi-network leyo or i-company network. Ufike ke ufune yona leyo nombolo nge-SIM card entsha ilento esibiza ke i-SimSwap.
Usually if you do that at the service provider, you have to produce your ID document.
Kanti mawukwenza lokho ke uya kuyi-service provider ufanele ukuthi ke ube nencwajana yakho yomazisi.
Then we go to the next point.
Sorry, just for my understanding, it doesn't necessarily have to follow that the cell phone is lost. Is that not so?
That's possible. The phone was missing and they apply for a new number for the
Yeah.
phone.
Because I just go there and say, hey, my cell phone is lost.
That's correct.
When in fact I have it.
Yes. But
Yeah.
if they issue you a new SIM card,
That's
other
it.
one will stop.
They issue me a new SIM card.
The SIM card
The previous one stops
stops immediately.
from being used.
Yes, yeah.
But then I have a new SIM card.
That's correct.
Okay, fine.
With the same numbers.
With the same numbers.
Yes.
Okay.
Akusho ukuthi umuntu angenza i-SimSwap phela uma kungukuthi ulahleke ifoni. Umuntu angasho athi ifoni ilahlekile ilokhu ikhona. Kodwa ke uyakwazi ukuthi aye khona laphana afike mhlambe athi kulahleke i-cellphone bamnikeze iSIM card entsha yaleyo nambolo kanti ke inombolo leyo yokuqala okanye iSIM card leyo yokuqala ke yona ke ebese iyasuleka okanye iyasulwa ingabi saphinde isebenze.
Then we move to the next one. Here we got the handset number now. Handset number is 35701 804 021687.
Size kulena ke eyogcina ngapha ngesokudla lapho ke sinayo ke iIMA number kanti ke ithi 3570 1804 021687.
Just point it.
That's it. That's the number of the handset.
Inambolo ke iye phone ke leyo.
This handset and the number receive a call from cell phone number 27872 300 401.
Kanti ke iyathola ke i-call eqhamuka laphana kule ya nambolo ethi 27872 300 401.
Also on the 27th of October 2014 at 16:21:50.
Kanti ke lokho kwenzeka nge-27 ka October 2014 isikhathi sasithi 16:21:50 seconds.
And just to point out to the court, my lord, it's the same SIM card, the new one, with the numbers 65501 257 060 4203.
Kanti ke kuyiSIM card leyana entsha ke le nala. Shuthi ke inamba yakhona ethi 6550 1257 0604 203.
Then we follow up on the handset number and then link to the number 2772 149 3899.
Kanti ke salandela khona laphayana ke le handset entsha okanye le phone entsha ena leyo iyayixhumaneke nale nambolo lena ethi 2772 149 3899.
And it belongs to David Matebula,
Kanti ke eka David Matebula.
and there was 8 calls between David Matebula and Kelly Khumalo.
Kwaba namakholo awu-8 phakathi kwaKelly Khumalo no David Matebula.
Can
My
you just,
explain-
I'm sorry, Colonel. Can you just tell the court how did you establish that it was a call between Kelly Khumalo
Yes.
and David Matebula?
If I go to the section 205, then I could identify
Okay.
Yes.
that there was the 8 calls was between that number and that number from Kelly Khumalo, but the phone was still off. All the calls has been called forwards. But my opinion is, it could be that it's an old phone of David Matebula that they just used to put in the new SIM card.
Yileyo nto ngishoyo ke ukuthi kube namakholo awu-8 phakathi kwaKelly Khumalo no David Matebula.
We did follow up on David Matebula. He's also from the soccer background. So it's
Kanti ke
possible.
sike sakulandela lokho sathola ukuthi uDavid Matebula omnye ke wabadlali bebhola mhlawumbe.
Yeah, there we did mention on David Matebula soccer. So it's clear to us that it could be a friend.
Ngoba phela ke sasibhalile nalaphana phansi ukuthi uDavid Matebula soccer. Futhi kungenzeka ukuthi bebe ngabangani.
That is the way we found out. It was we received the information from the service provider to indicate on who the owner of the phone and the phone number is.
Ileyo ndlela ke esikwazile ke ukuthi sithathe inyathelo zokuthola ukuthi i-cellphone leyo beku i-cellphone kabani.
It was a November 2330 classic phone, which he was using from the 2nd of September 2014 to the 7th of January 2015.
Kanti ke nayo ke leyo cellphone ethi N2330 classic kanti ke uyisebenzisile ukusuka ke nge-2 zika September 2014 okufika nge-7 January 2015.
And it's the same number which we just indicate in on my previous page.
Kanti ke ileyo number loke eke iyavela khona laphana ke kulela khasi lokuqala. Leya number loke esike sakhuluma ngayo laphana okuyi 2772149389.
That's correct.
Yes, can you just quickly indicate those calls, the 8 calls?
The 8 calls. The first one was at 07:32:36.
Okay.
The date, just mention the date.
The date is 27th of October, 07:32:36.
Yokuqala iyo leyo ke i-date ithi sikhuluma ngama-call ke 27 October 2014 lawa awu-8 27 October 2014 isikhathi 07:32:36 seconds.
And what was the status of that call?
A call forward.
Kanti ke nalapho kube ne-call forward ngamanye amazwi azange iphendulwe.
Meaning?
Not answer, all phone is off.
Nje azange iphendulwe okanye ke ifoni leyo ivaliwe.
Then on the 27th of October 2014 at 16:08:19.
Futhi okunye ke nge-27 ka-October 2014 isikhathi 16:08:19 seconds.
Also another call forward.
Kanti ke kwaba nenye call kwaba i-call forward nayo.
Then at 27, also on the 27th of October 2014 at 17:15:13, another call forward.
Kanti ke nge-27 ka-October 2014 isikhathi 17:15:13 call forward futhi nayo.
Then another one on the 27th of October 2014, 17:22:09, also call forward.
Nge-27 ka-October 2014 17:22:09 seconds nayo ke kwaba njalo.
Then again on the 27th of October 2014 at 17:22:52, call forward.
Kanti ke nge-27 ka-October 2014 7:22:32 seconds nayo kwaba i-call forward.
Then again on the 27th of October 2014 at 19:10:10, also a call forward.
Futhi ke nange-27 ka-October 2014 19:10:10 seconds kwaba ne-call forward futhi.
Then again on the 27th of October 2014 at 21:25:02, another call forward.
Kanti nge-27 ka-October 2014 isikhathi 21:25:02 seconds kwaba ne-call forward futhi.
Then another and the last one on the 27th of October 2014, 21:52:25.
Kanti ke nange-27 ka-October futhi 2014 ngaleso sikhathi 21:52:25 seconds kwaba nenye futhi i-call forward.
Yes, you may proceed.
Then I move to,
So just before you proceed, can you establish as to who is trying to contact who between the two?
it's not possible because it's call forward. So it could be neither one, either one. It could be him calling her or she calling her.
Anje ngeke kuze kube lula ukukusho lokho ukuthi ubani ubefonela abantu ngoba phela kube i-call forward.
Yes, you may proceed.
Just can we leave this one? Then I go to page 32.
Sizoqhubeka ke siye ku page 32.
When we're going to discuss the calls made from Kelly Khumalo's cell phone number 2782-704-4358.
Kanti ke sizokhuluma ke ngala manambolo ke ake okanye ama-call enziwe uqhamuka kule phone kaKelly Khumalo okuyinamba yakhona ethi 2782-704-4358.
Also, I can mention there that she didn't make any calls. She only received, but she only sent the SMS.
Lapho ngakusho ke ukuthi akazange yena ke a phone
At,
utholeke ama SMS.
at 11:48:46, she sent the SMS to the following number 277822827769.
She sent the
Yes.
SMS.
Yes, original.
Uxolo futhi ke uyena owathumela ke ama SMS. Wathumela ke i-SMS lapha kuleya nambolo. Wathumela ke i-SMS kuleya nambolo 27782 282769.
Then at 19:56:18, also on the 24th of October, she received a phone call from her sister, Zandi Khumalo, with number 277466669.
Kanti ke nge 24th ka October 2014 ngaleso sikhathi 19:36:18 seconds uthola ke lokho njani i-SMS. She received the SMS or the call?
She received,
The call.
yes.
Uthola i-call eqhamuka ku sisi wakhe esebenzisa ke leya cellphone number 27746 766669.
Then, also on the 24th of October 2014, she received 3 calls from Senzo with the number 27714379551. And it,
Kanti ke nge 24th ka October 2014 uyakhona ke ukuthi athole ke i-call eqhamuka ku Senzo ngaleyo nambolo ethi 27714379551 yayiqhamuka ku Senzo.
and the times of the calls was 18:52:42, 19:11:38, and 19:18:42.
Kanti ke inkathi zakhona zilandelana kanjalo ke zokuthi athole lawo makhola aqhamuka ku Senzo. Yokuqala ethi 18:52:42 seconds. Enye bese ke ithi 19 hours 11 minutes 38 seconds. Enye bese ithi 19 hours 18 minutes 42 seconds.
And then on the 25th of October,
Futhi ke nge 25 is October 2014.
the same actually happened. No calls been made.
Azange kube nencingo ephumayo.
There was actually a missed call or something from at 15:06:50 from number 27823581732.
Kuye kwaba nento esingathi miss call ngaleso sikhathi sikhuluma nge 25 ka October 2014 ngalesi sikhathi esithi 15 hours 6 minutes 30 seconds. Leyo nto singayibiza ke ngathi i miss call iyayiqhamuka kuleyo nombolo ethi 2782 358 1732.
Then another missed call at 10:51:53 on the 25th of October. The number involved is 27838738082.
Hayi enye futhi miss call khona nge 25 ka October 2014 isikhathi sithi 10:31:33 seconds. Yayiqhamuka ku 083-887-3082. Ithi ngiphinde futhi 2783-887-3082.
Then on the 26th of October,
Manje ke sesikhuluma nge 26 ka October.
the same picture, no calls made.
Umfanekiso safana.
All SMS sent.
Kunama phone call enziwa